didn't match any known cosmic phenomenon. It wasn't a pulsar. It wasn't gravitational waves. It wasn't the echo of colliding black holes. This was something else, something that repeated at intervals so precise they seemed designed. Astrophysicists called it the cosmic heartbeat, a faint drumbeat echoing through the fabric of space itself. And the strangest part? The pulse seemed to originate not from a single point, but from everywhere at once, as if the universe itself was breathing. Some suggested it might be a resonance from exotic matter, theoretical particles that exist only at the edges of our physical laws. Others proposed it could be a signature from another dimension, bleeding through into our own. But a small group of researchers, ones who spoke only in private, began to consider a far more unsettling possibility. What if this pulse was a signal, not from us, not from any natural process, but from something or someone who existed long before the universe we call home? As the data poured in, another anomaly surfaced. Gravitational distortions, massive ones. Webb's observations revealed regions of space where gravity was bending light in ways that didn't match the visible matter present. This wasn't dark matter. Dark matter has a signature, a gravitational fingerprint we've learned to recognize. This was different. These were phantom masses, invisible forces pressing down on the fabric of space, warping it, distorting it, yet leaving no trace of matter, no particles, no energy signature. Just gravity. Raw, inexplicable gravity. Some theorists proposed that we were witnessing the influence of another universe, a parallel cosmos pressed so close to ours that its gravity leaked through, like shadows cast by objects we couldn't see. If true, it would mean the multiverse isn't just a theoretical playground for physicists. It's real, and it's right here, bleeding into our reality, shaping the structure of space itself. But if another universe is pressing against ours, what happens when the boundary between them breaks? What happens when two realities collide? The more Webb looked, the stranger things became. Astronomers began noticing asymmetries in distant galaxies, patterns that didn't make sense, stars rotating in directions they shouldn't, clusters of galaxies moving in synchronized motions that violated statistical probability. It was as if something was pulling on them. Not gravity, not dark energy, something else. Some researchers called it the cosmic tide, an invisible current flowing through space, dragging galaxies along paths that defied prediction. And the most disturbing part? The direction of the tide pointed towards something, a center, a destination, a place in the universe where all these anomalies converged. But what lies at that convergence point? No one knows. Webb hasn't looked there yet. Or perhaps it has, and the images are still classified. Because when discoveries reach a certain threshold, when they threaten to upend not just science but our entire conception of reality, they don't get released to the public. They get buried, analyzed in silence, debated behind closed doors. And the more we learn, the more questions multiply like fractures in glass. One of the most chilling revelations came from an unexpected source. A research team analyzing Webb's data on distant quasars, supermassive black holes devouring entire galaxies, noticed something impossible: time dilation. Light from these quasars showed signs of temporal distortion, not the kind predicted by relativity. Something stranger. In certain regions of space, time appeared to be moving backward, not metaphorically, not theoretically. The light signatures suggested that events were unfolding in reverse, stars unburning, matter uncollapsing, as if someone had pressed rewind on the universe itself. This wasn't a glitch. Multiple independent teams confirmed it. Time, the one constant we thought we could rely on, the arrow that always points forward, was bending, looping. In some pockets of space, causality itself seemed to be breaking down. And if time can flow backward, if cause and effect can reverse, then what does that mean for everything we think we know? What does it mean for the concept of a beginning, for the Big Bang, for the very idea that the universe had an origin point? Some physicists are now suggesting the unthinkable. What if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning,